Mr. Terry. Yo, GANZIE. Bad out of Red Hills Road. Step cross, my brother. Mr. GANZIE. Bad artist. Yo.
Yep. Whosoever will me come, this is no more before no lie down. Yes, hold up. With a bill feet and a bag of militant, big up yourself, youth. You don't know enough love, you show you're foreign, you know what I say? You're a real battlefield youth. Some boy talk, shoot is shoot. All Tivoli Heights, all civil rights. Johnny Wonder, big up yourself. Yeah, you know. Yannick, big up yourself. Look up from out of Canada. Yep. I am a band, I am a live, I am a band. No boy can't run me away. Cause big worries. Oh! Hold up! It's a rubber dub Thursday, it's a great thing. But they not do it the rubber dub way. You see them turn it in a stage show, man, I come and play all kind of different rhythm. I want to some man. Yeah, on a side start. I want to be famous, get the thing right. You know what I say? Selassie coming out. Coming out there long, you know. Touch a one song.
I mean, tell GANZIE out like, you know the thing go. A Rastafari, me a different. Who a different Rastafari? It's a Rastafari, you know. Me know who them a different, you know. Tell GANZIE the outlaw, taggedy. Hey. In him hardcore Rasta. Yo, I can't meet and football after. Hardcore Rasta. Yo, no boy can complain at the laxa. Nah, sit down in and no more Baba boy cheer. No Baba boy can't touch me here. One for me not with the bongo bus. Hey,
Jaggedy. Fast.
Round the rhythm like you don't know, you know, Jaggedy, I'll teach them. La 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 la. Whoa, ya yo. Yo, rubber dub. Yo, Yannick, tell them, well, just give me the idea, give me the challenge, JJP, just give me the lighter. Make me burn a fire upon all the earth. Light a ganja.
Pull up! Yo, GANZIE!
Jara.
Run it! Big up on yourself. Teach them. Big up Terry GANZIE the outlaw. Say, check it. Hey, some big woman forget love too. Hey, some big woman forget love too. Fool sit up in a round, I make it bunk too. I make she run from Kingston to Timbuktu. I make she wait down, go down and stop to broke too. Some big woman forget too. Fool sit up in a round, I make it bunk too. I make she run from Kingston to Timbuktu. I make she wait down, go down and stop to broke too. Check it out, secure. I the remote and when she side the army, she say, this a music, get her heart, it make she feel like 19, although she a 40. Give her Terry GANZIE the outlaw.
Markel, me here. Yep. Yeah, you know, rubber dub. Something I go on tonight, only while we a fight. Me a Markel. Well, man, a ragga from down Africa.
Ragga. Hey, remember Dirty Bongo, fire for Dirty Bongo. GANZIE. Me like that look to stop me here. Me like Peter, your time.
Ready to again. We love the fire. We love the energy. We love it rubber dub. A side figure. GANZIE starter. Yo. Oh, yeah. Who remember this? Who remember? She said, no put it there. She said, no put it there. She bad. No put it there. She said, no put it there. She bad. No put it there. She said, no put it there. She bad. No put it there. She said, no put it. And when they put it on the dresser, she said, and when we dash it over there, so she said, and when we fling it over here, so she said, and when we dash it over there, so she said.
Oh man, want the loving from a man, she would have fly from. That was straight to London. Mackerel.
Run it. How are you put it up?
Hold up. Look at John. Look at John there. Look at John. John here, look at John.
Look at John. Come round here, so. How you mean? I said go.
You have to have each song. You remember that one, yeah? I remember Miss Getty, girl, you phone the man. Miss want you pull up the metro. Sure, you pull up mackerel, man. Yo, what you want, big? Yo, all about dirty bad mind people. Who remember that one? Give me a signal for the one. Who remember? A bad mind, I kill them. A bad mind, I kill them. This one dedicated to Wally. A bad mind, I kill. A bad mind, I kill them. Run around the bend and go tell it.
So we not take no disrespect from them. Me and me own a done, me own a boss. Me no big friend, no disrespect from them. Have me own weed and grab a roaches, no big blame. Some little over come on getting bright overnight. Never say come see get introduced to gangster life. To them a hip and them a yap like them a some smartphone device. Them people we style carry go studio go vice. Major come in. John.
Nobody give me that again, like I see, mud up. That's it.
Where's that, John? Where's it? She mud up. Big on the ladies, them. Well, girl, best of in the body where you have is like hardware and lumber. Good girl to deal with. Well, girl, best of in the...
Another, who remember, in the police in England, in the police in London, who remember, in the police in England, come catch it, in the police in London, whoa, come and say, once on the night around 7:30, Peter Metro Brigade, that come from party, the carrot Brigade drive, it near Mazda, Brigade drive the car and him, drink him liquor, same time he hear a voice come to a speaker, in the name of the Queen, the Max in it to pull over, hey, so me pull over on the sides of shoulder. As them approach me wind down the window. Come in, GANZIE, me smile a little breath.
Well, Mr. Cha-la-la-la-la, welcome the outlaw. Baba gonna come over Colorado. Weapon the war, but tell me. The most female the yo. Me ya gonna sit up and female the yo.
Lord, sing with me, people, Lord. That's why me sing, say what you say and do. Cause I've got sing out no money can because crowd of people. I cannot sing. Hey, sing with me now, people. Oh, what the rhythm them are. White nicey. All who have it song. Why everybody a sing? Up here, it make up ya. We got another OG. Why you? Watch out. Now me on my way, I go to Orchie. Me stop on roadside and drink 2 jelly. A little after that, me book a young lady. She said to Peter, Metro, you fi, me me say, why yo? Say Gio. Say no. Say so. Pull it up. Hold it. Bonnie General. Hey. Easy Macca there, man. Sorry, Major Mackerel. Not a mercy. Low. Many woman, many man, many boy, many girl, many diamond, many pearl, many people in the world. Many think that them wicked, many things said that they mad. And many one contest and see they know them dead like dog. What if a DJ call me name, me send the fuck of them in the mag. And tell them Bonnie General, me at the bad, good enough in the yard. When I mix me one up and down, why some of them act like clown. And some of them think them bad and test me from the compound. And tell them Bonnie General, me at the kinky in the ring. And they rub up the street until the morning. The people hear me sell and say me bad. But they thing around me rock it in the country till one match up in the town. Until them Bonnie till one me the bad. Send me the green because I've seen me the love with the talk with the go to water the joke, man, I make my never got to make me the boy you look because I've not tell in the life you go. Put your Bonnie. Look again. Many men don't think them wicked. Some don't talk how much and rough and them run up. My call me name and what the fuck they say them a crop. But when they come to the mic and come to sell and come to the rhythm and thing, me tell them bonnet till well yes me have a call thing. Let me do. Just wanna make a phone and do that till the morning. Make wait for me chat them make me say no me warning. Make them know say bonnet till one me have the bad bitty bit bad bitty bit bad bitty bit bad.
Oui, Habahon. Hold it, the selector. Hold it. Don't slow it down. Look at John.
Don't slow it down. Spirit, see me them. GANZIE, don't go away, you're mad. Don't go away, you're mad. You can't start the spirit and don't go away. Where the mix there? Well, I'm alive with a full of well, sitting as a good. I should be my heart and make me cry. But can you rule and that's my true? Can't fashion, you can read it, so we read it to the magazine. And then all of a sudden, when she goes out, I still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, they say she lovely, good job indeed. But I'm afraid that till the rest of life, as I know she wouldn't listen to me. Right now, I'm say massive. Are you ready? Tell it.
Pull it up there. Zin.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.